of Filmmaking. To present the awards of our next categories, please welcome to the Eddies, versatile actor, entrepreneur, filmmaker, Mr. R.S. Francisco, and actor, singer, producer, James Reed.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, RS.
Good evening, James. Good evening, everyone.
This set of awards recognizes the songwriters and performers who create music for the big screen.
Yes, and with their musical genius, these songs become anthems that resonate with the audience, moving their emotions with every word in the lyrics and every beat of their music.
We present to you the nominees for Best Original Theme Song.
For Best Original Theme Song, Finger Lickin', Becky and Badette, performed by Eugene Domingo. Music by Teresa Barroso. Lyrics by June Robles Lana, Elmer Gatchalian, and Erica Estacio. Pag-ibig na Sumpa, Malyani, performed by Juan Carlos. Music and lyrics by Jose Quest Villanueva. Patawad Inay, In His Mother's Eyes, performed by L.A. Santos. Music and lyrics by Jonathan Manalo. Additional lyrics by L.A. Santos and F.M. Reyes.
Ibigay mo ng lahat, bakit kulang pa rin sa gampanin? Ngunit hindi ka na para sa akin, kay sakit mong tinda.
Sa Duyan ng Bayan, Gomburza, performed by Noel Cabangon, Ebe Dancel, and Glock 9. Music and lyrics by Krina Kayabya and Glock 9.
Ikaw liwala sa duyan ng bayan.
And Sa Yakap Mo, Family of Two, a mother and son story, performed by Iya Ladip Guanzon and Ralph Pajernos. Music and lyrics by Paulo Zarate.
Sa yakap mo,
Mahal mo itong mama ko kasi napakabait, napakasarap magluto. Love you, Ma! I love you,
pasensya na minsan.
And the Eddie's choice is
Sa Duyan ng Bayan, Gomburza. Performed by Noel Cabangon, Eddie Denzel, and Glock 9. Music and lyrics by Krina Kayabyak and Glock 9.
Maraming salamat, Eddies, for this recognition at sa mga bumubuo ng musika ng pelikulang Gomburza. Congratulations! Nagpapasalamat ang buong team ng Gomburza from Jescom, MCOS Ventures, and CM Films. Maraming salamat.
musical score are
For Best Musical Score, Teresa Barroso, Becky and Badette. Teresa Barroso, Gomburza.
Ang dating mga baga ay magliliyab. Ang mga salita ay magiging mga kwento.
Teresa Barroso, Iti Papukpukaw.
Basta. Para sa babae.
Von de Guzman, Malyari.
Mahal ka lang nanay mo.
And Vincent De Jesus, Third World Romance.
Pinaka-importante, pinaka-simple, pero mahirap. Maging masaya.
Kung sinabi ko sa'yo sasaluhin,
and the Eddies for best musical score goes to
Von de Guzman, Malyari.
Ayan, ipagpaumayin niyo po, wala lang po si Von de Guzman. Pero Von, maraming salamat sa mga gabing puyat na puyat ka para sa pelikulang Malyari. And sa dami-daming Pilipinong tinakot mo at dinala mo sa istorya ni Juan Severino Malyari sa mga pelikula. Congratulations again, Von. Maraming salamat sa Edis. Thank you.
Aspects of filmmaking. To present the awards of our next categories, please welcome to the Eddies, versatile actor, entrepreneur, filmmaker, Mr. R.S. Francisco, and actor